go! Oh, wait. We can't go to the amusement park because of social distancing. The amusement park is closed. Bummer! Well, here with your substitute teacher, Mr. O, we're gonna go to our own virtual amusement park. Let's get started. Our first step is to leave the real world and head over to the virtual reality land. Let's go to Theme Park Gojo. Whoa! Mr. O! My, you've got big arms there. Ooh, Mr. O, can you say hi? Mr. O, can you jump? Oh, Mr. O, you can jump! Mr. O, take a look around. Oh, that's big, big. Go there. Yes. Oh, amusement park. Right. Oh, amusement park. Come on back in, Mr. O. Let's go in. Let's go have some fun. Let's go play. Yes. Beautiful. Like metal detectors? This was built by Gojo Pro. Okay, don't look down. Go through. Yeah, yes. Oh, right in front, Mr. O. Right in front. We're gonna wait. Wait for it. Oh, Mr. O, you're looking down. Mr. O going up. Ooh, ah. Ooh, that is pretty high, Mr. O. Mr. O. Oh! Great job! Mr. O. Okay. Mr. O. Oh, come on back, Mr. O. Oh, taking our time. Ooh, don't look down, Mr. O. Don't look down. Oh, don't look down, Mr. O. Oh, Mr. O. Oh, let's take a stop. Oh, what else? All right, Mr. O, I see green machine, but let's get on that ball thing. Get ready, hold on tight. Oh, Mr. O, let's get all bouncy. Mr. O, slow down. That is pretty high up, Mr. O. Okay. And take me down, please, Mr. O. Nice and gentle. That's good. Let's check over here. Thanks. All right, Mr. O, we're walking over. Let's wait for Mantis. Yeah, let's get on Mantis. Waiting for Mantis. Mr. O, can you get right in the front? Thanks, Mr. O. Let's ride Mantis. Up. Mantis goes very blue, very high up there. Very exciting. And yeah! Slide, go. Down. Whoa! Mantis. Mantis is. Oh, let's take a break on Mantis. Thanks, Mr. O. Hop on out. Go down. Check out this yellow car. Jump right onto the yellow car. Going up. We're on the yellow. We're down there. Yes.
Directions to
Watch out for the red car. That was a little bit of suspended reality. Can we please? Please stop. Let's stay with the red one. Let's stay down with that red thing. I like the red thing. Back. Oh, we're going backwards. We're going very backwards, Mr. O. We're going very up, Mr. O. Up, Mr. O. Up, Mr. O. Up, Mr. O. Mr. O, Mr. O, oh. Let's take a break, Mr. O. Testing! Yes, testing! Mr. O, you're walking on a track. Watch out, Mr. O! Watch out, Mr. O! Mr. O! Watch out! Watch out, Mr. O! Mr. O can stop roller coasters. Oh, hop on. Test it, test it, test it. Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's move on to this one. It's got nice wood finishing, Mr. O. That's really good. Yeah. Let's just take this one. Up, up, up. Go up. Up. Slide. Slide. And down. And yes, I would like some cotton candy, please. I think we even have a cotton candy Mr. O episode. So, in closing, if you can't go here, or here, or here, or here, or here, you can always build your virtual roller coaster, and the crazier the better. From a safe social distance, this is Mr. O, one of your substitute teachers, telling you to keep calm and gecko on.